If you've ever tried applying a Temu coupon code and it didn't work, or the discount looked smaller than expected, the issue is usually not the code, it's how the code is applied. In this video, I'll show you the correct way to apply a Temu coupon code step by step so you actually see the discount at checkout. Before we start, I've placed the current working Temu coupon code right here on screen. You'll also find it in the description and pinned comment, along with backup codes in case Temu rotates this one. Now let's go through the correct process. Step 1. Activate the coupon first. The first mistake many users make is opening Temu and shopping normally before activating the coupon. Temu promotions often work best when the coupon is activated first before you start browsing. So begin by using the link in the description to unlock the promotion tied to this coupon code. This helps Temu attach the coupon bundle directly to your account. Step 2. Log into your Temu account. After activation, open the Temu app and make sure you are logged in. Temu needs the coupon connected to a specific account before it can apply at checkout. Whether you're a new user or existing user, the coupon should appear once the promotion is active. Step 3. Check your coupon wallet inside the Temu app. Tap Profile, go to Coupons. You should now see the coupon bundle listed there. If you don't see it immediately, refresh the page or restart the app once. That usually forces the wallet to update. Step 4. Add eligible items to your cart. Now shop normally and add items you want. Temu coupons typically work across many categories like electronics, clothing, home products, accessories, gadgets. Just keep in mind some coupons require a minimum order amount. Step 5. Select the coupon at checkout. This is another step many people skip. Even when a coupon is available, Temu sometimes requires you to select it manually at checkout. So before paying, tap Available Coupons. Choose the one you activated, confirm it. Once selected, the discount should appear immediately on your order total. Why some coupon codes fail? If your coupon didn't apply before, it's usually because it wasn't activated before shopping, your cart didn't meet the minimum requirement, the code expired, you forgot to select the coupon at checkout. Fixing those steps usually solves the problem. Final tip, Temu coupon codes can offer real savings, but the order of steps matters. Activate the promotion first, check your coupon wallet, then apply the code during checkout. That's the correct way to apply a Temu coupon code. And if it worked for you, comment how much you saved. I always like seeing the results.